Welcome back to EV Equity Edge, where we're all charged up to discuss Tesla. Big news for today: Tesla's recent cash inflow of $735 million. How will this influence Tesla's market performance? We'll break down the price action, latest news, and analyze the resistance and support levels. Ready to get supercharged with Tesla insights? Alright, let's dive into the price action of Tesla stock on July 18, 2023. The stock opened at $290.15, slightly higher than the previous close of $290.38. Throughout the day, it reached a high of $295.26 and a low of $286.01, showcasing a range of 3.19%. By the closing bell, Tesla's stock stood at $293.34, reflecting a daily change of 1.02%. Now, let's examine the metrics more closely. The opening price indicates some initial bullish momentum, and the stock managed to maintain its strength throughout the day, hitting a notable high of $295.26. The closing price of $293.34 suggests that investors remain interested in Tesla's stock, concluding the trading day on a positive note. Looking at the volume, we see that the daily volume stood at 112,434,713 shares, which is lower than the average volume of 148,408,287 shares. While the volume was slightly lower than average, it is important to consider the context and overall market conditions. Analyzing the levels of resistance and support from the previous day, we can see that the stock approached the resistance level at $293.88, coming close to breaking through it. This suggests that there was a significant buying interest, pushing the stock towards potential higher levels. On the other hand, the support level at $285.22 held strong, indicating a solid base of buying support. In summary, Tesla's stock showed positive price action on July 18, with a higher opening, a notable intraday high, and a positive daily change. The volume, although slightly lower than average, did not significantly impact the overall market sentiment. Let's delve into some intriguing news regarding Tesla that could impact its stock price. In one of the largest shareholder settlements in its history, Tesla directors have agreed to return a whopping $735 million to the company. This settlement stems from a lawsuit filed in 2020 by a retirement fund holding Tesla stock, challenging the excessive compensation granted to directors through stock options since June 2017. It's important to note that this settlement does not affect Elon Musk's separate ongoing lawsuit regarding his $56 billion compensation package. According to court documents, the directors involved in the settlement, including Larry Ellison, co-founder of Oracle, will return the equivalent value of 3.1 million Tesla stock options. Tesla has not provided any official comment on the matter. While the directors maintain that their actions were in the best interests of Tesla stockholders and made in good faith, they agreed to settle to mitigate the potential risks of litigation for both themselves and the company. The lawsuit alleged that the directors had awarded themselves excessive compensation through approximately 11 million stock options from 2017 to 2020, surpassing the norms for a corporate board. The case was initiated by the Police and Fire Retirement System of the City of Detroit, and the settlement funds will ultimately benefit Tesla as part of a derivative lawsuit. This settlement stands as one of the largest ever in the Court of Chancery, a significant venue for shareholder litigation. It is worth noting that Tesla and Elon Musk have gained a reputation for contesting lawsuits, successfully defending against allegations ranging from defamation and securities law violations to shareholder coercion in prior trials. As part of the settlement, the directors have also agreed not to receive any compensation for the years 2021, 2022, and 2023, and the board will revise the process for determining compensation. Tesla defended against the lawsuit by highlighting the company's unparalleled growth, which led to a remarkable tenfold increase in stock price. Consequently, the surge in stock value elevated the worth of the stock options awarded to directors and Musk. Considering this significant settlement, it remains to be seen how Tesla's stock price will react. The resolution of the lawsuit and the return of funds to the company could be viewed positively by investors, as it demonstrates accountability and a commitment to corporate governance. However, the market's response will ultimately depend on various factors, including investor sentiment and broader market conditions. Let's dive into the upcoming levels of resistance and support for Tesla's stock and explore how the stock price might respond as it approaches and potentially breaks through these levels. Looking ahead, we have some key levels to keep an eye on. The upcoming resistance levels are set at $297.06, $300.79, and $306.31. If the stock manages to break through and hold above the first resistance level at $297.06, it could potentially gain some momentum and shoot up towards the next resistance level at $300.79. Breaking through this level could further fuel the bullish sentiment and push the stock price closer to the highest resistance level at $306.31. Crossing that threshold could open up new possibilities for the stock to reach even higher levels. On the other hand, we also have important support levels to consider. The upcoming support levels are located at $287.82, $282.29, and $278.56. These levels can act as potential price floors, offering some stability and potentially attracting buying interest. If the stock experiences some downward pressure, it will be crucial to observe how it reacts as it approaches and tests these support levels. Holding above these levels could signal resilience and indicate a potential bounce back, while breaking below them may invite further selling pressure. As always, it's important to consider various factors, including market sentiment, overall market conditions, and any upcoming news or events that could impact Tesla's stock price. The market's reaction to these resistance and support levels will depend on a multitude of factors, including investor sentiment, market dynamics, and the broader economic landscape. Keep a close watch on how Tesla's stock price behaves in relation to these upcoming levels, as they could provide valuable insights into the stock's near-term direction. And that concludes our deep dive into Tesla's recent cash influx. If this analysis sparked your interest, remember to hit like and subscribe to EV Equity Edge. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and check out our latest updates on NIO, Rivian, Lucid, and Mullen. Keep your investment gears greased, and we'll see you in the next video.